To start using the WashU comparative epigenome browser, click Select Genomes. This will lead you to the Assembly Selection widget. To use it, select a reference genome. Here we have selected the reference human genome HG38. Once the reference genome is selected, all of the available secondary genomes will pop out in a separate column. This allows users to select one or multiple secondary assemblies that align to the reference genome. Here we've selected the reference genome for mice MM10. Following, click Save Selection and a link to the main WashU Epigenome browser will appear. Clicking this link will lead you to the WashU Epigenome browser with HG38 as the reference genome and the HG38 to MM10 genome align track loaded. We can remove and add new tracks to the current window. To remove the GenCode annotation track, right-click the track and select Remove. You can also remove the main selection gene track the same way. To add new annotation tracks, click Tracks, Annotation Tracks, and all of the available annotation tracks are grouped by assemblies. To add the mouse gene annotation, click MM10, Genes, RefSig Genes. You can also add the mouse repeat masker annotation by clicking Repeat Masker, All Repeats, Repeat Masker. Following, close the window by clicking the X in the top right corner. Both the mouse gene and repeat masker annotation tracks will appear at the bottom of the window. To reorder all of the tracks, click the Reorder tool and drag the tracks up and down.